Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got something truly exciting to share with you. A deep dive into Canva's new Magic Studio, and specifically, the text-to-image generator app called Magic Media. This incredible tool allows you to effortlessly transform text prompts into stunning images and even captivating videos. To get started, head over to Element and scroll down until you found Generate Your Own. Magic Media offers a plethora of styles and aspect ratios, giving you creative freedom. I'll demonstrate using the concept art style for a fantasy-inspired project. Utilizing prompts from ChatGPT, you can effortlessly generate high-quality images and videos. The results are astounding, and you can sell these artworks on platforms like Etsy. Whether you're creating captivating social media content or selling unique artworks, Canva's AI image and video generator opens up endless possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.